Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Vistro. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the critical process died blue screen error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're seeing a blue screen that says your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart, then this tutorial will guide you through the steps to fix it. There are two possible scenarios. Scenario 1. If you're able to access your desktop, click on the search box and type reset this PC. Then select Reset this PC from the search results. Next, scroll down to the Advanced Startup section and click Restart Now. When prompted, click Restart Now again. Your computer will restart and boot into the Advanced Startup options. This is exactly where we need to be. Scenario 2. If you're unable to access your desktop or use any features, you'll need to force Windows into the recovery environment. Press and hold the power button until your computer shuts down completely. Turn it back on by pressing the power button. As soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button again to force it to shut down. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th startup, Windows should automatically load the Advanced Startup option screen. If it doesn't appear, repeat the steps carefully, making sure to force the shutdown as soon as the Windows logo appears. Alright, once you're on this screen, click Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options. First, click on Startup Repair and let Windows check for and repair any startup issues. If this fixes the problem, you're all set. If the issue persists, go back to the Advanced Options screen and select Command Prompt. A black command prompt window will open. Here, you'll need to run a few commands. First, type bootrec/fixmbr. Then press Enter. Next, type bootrec/fixboot. Press Enter again. If you receive an access is denied error, don't worry. Simply continue with the next command. Type bootsect/nt60sys. Press Enter. Then type bootrec/fixboot and press Enter. Next, type bootrec/rebuild. Press Enter. Now type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will take some time to complete because it scans your system files for any integrity violations. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Once it's finished, type the final command. Check disk C. Press Enter. This scan may also take some time, so wait until it completes. When everything is finished, close the command prompt, click Continue, and restart your computer. Hopefully, the critical process died blue screen error will now be resolved. If the issue was caused by disk errors or hard drive problems, these steps should resolve it. Your computer should boot normally to the login screen or desktop without showing the blue screen again. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. If you still have any questions or the problem persists, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.